friends, this is Stacy from Wine and Dip, and today I have a Drizzle Beauty kit that was sent to me by Drizzle Beauty. So I thought that it would be cool to unbox it for you. These are the instructions that I'll read through, and then it also comes with a buffer and a file. And then there's also a cuticle removing tool, a cuticle pusher, and a little fluffy brush. And then it came with all of these powders. There's 12 here, so I will swatch them and show them to you. One thing I really like about the powders, not only were they packaged nicely, and I showed you that in the unboxing, but they're 0.34 ounces, so typically you get 0.25 ounces, and these are a little bit more. And then I feel like these are kind of like the Model 1s that they typically don't have names, right? They only have like numbers, and these ones actually have names. So this one is called Rest, and they're all neutrals, and they all have this protective seal over them, which I thought was good. So there's the color Rest. I'm not going to open every jar. I'm just going to show you the color and the name. This one is called Secret. It's like a grayish color. This one is called Gentle. It's kind of like got blue undertones to it. I'm going to use this color today in the mani. This one is called Glad. It's got pink undertones. This one is called Muted. It's kind of like a milky white, maybe like a little bit of peach or pink in there. The camera's not really picking up the color of it that well, but that's okay. The next color is called Sleepy. It's a really, really pretty peach color. Next one is Hush. It's got little peach glitters in there. It's really pretty. And then I have Subtle, which is a glitter. Earthy. It's like a pretty neutral color. Mellow, another peach kind of color. Delicate, this one's really pretty too. It's another like peach kind of tone. And then Cloudy. This one's kind of like a light peach. So I'm going to show you all the colors together. I'm going to show you the peach colors together so you can see. You could actually make a pretty cool gradient mani from these, I think. All these colors together. And then these are the two glitters. And then these are the two mauve colors, mauve neutral. And then these are the gray toned. This one having a little bit more of a blue tone. I'm going to use that today. So all in all, I really like the powders so far. Swatching them was really easy to do. This color looks really pretty. I'm excited to get it on my nails. All right, I put some peel base on. I put the Maniboss peel base on. I'm gonna test that out. And I'm ready for my mani. I'm also gonna use my Maniboss liquids today. I love them. They are awesome. This is my first time using Maniboss liquids over peel base. So we'll see how it goes. So far, so good, I would say. I got full coverage in that first dip, and there was no streakiness and the powder adhered perfectly to that peel base. First dip, I'm really happy with it. I'm actually going to do both my hands and they're going to match. This one went on a little streaky, but that was my bad because I spent too much time on this half of the nail. Not to fear, it'll be fine in the end. Streaky on this one, but that's, you know, non-dominant hand problems. Looking pretty good on my left hand. I'm going to nail magic through the second dip and see where we're at. with 2 dips. I think it looks pretty good. There's like not a lot of excess powder. Pretty much is all soaked in. I think I'm just gonna do a dip of clear and call it a day. I'm gonna use my Skyline Soapworks Clear. I do to make my mani last a little bit longer is I like to cap the edge with the clear. Even though I'm gonna file it, I still think it helps seal it in a little bit more. So I'm not going to be reviewing a wine today, but I'm going to suggest another podcast. I love true crime and I love true crime podcasts. I also love true crime documentaries. But today I'm going to recommend you listen to S-Town. And I'm not going to give anything away, but it's not totally true crime. It's about this man and what he thinks is a crime. But it's really, really good. Highly recommend it. Comment below if you have listened to S-Town and let me know. Alright, we have dipped in clear. It looks like it's soaking it in. Maybe I used too much liquid. Perhaps. Anyway, I'm going to activate these nails. We are activated. I'm going to wait 2 minutes and file and buff off camera, and I'll be back for top coat. All right, I'm back and I have filed and buffed. This hand turned out really good. This hand, there's little spots that look like maybe I filed too much, but I'm going to chalk that up to user error since this hand looks really good. So I'm going to activate so I can top coat. I'm gonna wait 2 minutes and then I'll be ready for top coat. At a minute in, I'll wipe down my nails. All right, ready for top coat. And then I'm gonna cap my edges with the top coat in an effort to make it last longer. These liquids did not give me dip fluid, by the way, but they do smell. I can smell them from here. This top coat's incredible. I don't know what kind of magic Megan has, but her top coat, oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna let these dry, clean up my bottles, and I'll be back for cuticle oil. Alright, I'm back and I'm ready for poolside ice. Poolside ice smells like a lime popsicle and it's amazing. It's from Candi Skincare. I will link her shop below. And here we have the finished product. This top coat's amazing. I love it. And I will link this kit to Drizzle below as well. All in all, I will give it 2 thumbs up. It's awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.